So, hello squad. Why aren't you guys excited? Okay. So, we're off to... Okay, so we're off to...
Penang.
So yeah, hello guys, welcome back to a new travel vlog, and today we're going back to Penang, Malaysia. Oh no, we're actually going to JB first. Tomorrow we're gonna take the flight from JB to Penang because... Oh, okay, let's go. Okay, so we ran into some issue just now because we took a grab all the way from MBS to Tuas Checkpoint, but apparently you cannot just walk in, so we had to take a bus all the way to Tuas MRT station, and then we have to hop on the CW7, which is like a shuttle bus between Tuas Link MRT station and Tuas Checkpoint, where you can hop off and then do the immigration process. So yeah, we're just waiting here for our bus. Yay, finally the bus is here.
You don't take honey.
Sorry?
You take ready.
So we took CW7, got off at Tuas Checkpoint to clear Singapore customs, which was super fast because we literally just had to scan our passport. Then we hop on a CW bus again to get to Sultan Abu Bakar CIQ complex, which is the checkpoint on Malaysia side. However, for me, since I wasn't able to get a tourist visa beforehand, I had to apply for visa on arrival on the spot, which was also quite convenient. I just showed them my passport, my employment pass to Singapore, paid 200 ringgits, and then I got my visa.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh. We're so tired. We're so slow. Yo, we made it. Thanks everyone for waiting. Because I had to apply for visa on arrival. We had to like walk 10 minutes to another building, and then I waited for like another 40 minutes for them to process my visa on arrival, which was not too bad because I was expecting worse. Now we're just gonna take the bus to somewhere in JB, and then we're gonna grab to our hotel.
All of my friends say, girl, you better take care, cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't.
So we got off at a random bus station. We thought that it's gonna be cheaper if we grab from here compared to like if we grab from like JB Customs, but we're wrong. It's like more than 50% more expensive. So Zahong is just trying to negotiating with the driver to see if taxi is cheaper.
So true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now cause I love you. Yes, I do.
Yay, we finally got to our hotel. Renting, I both fell asleep on the taxi because it was too cozy. Yeah. He always knocks before he enters.
So polite. Before I enter, I need to knock.
What the heck? Why is it so loud? Should I knock?
So weak.
Ooh, this one is much nicer. Perfect ocean view. Oh no, the other way. Never mind. What is it? Is this so-called garden view?
It's so natural.
And Zehong went back to the reception because the piping system in the other room is super loud. It's like honestly beyond acceptable level, so we're gonna see if we can change to another room. You're so annoying! Who's that? Can see.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's the result? Joy. Yay! Wow, now we're right next to each other. Perfect. Wait, Zihong, I want to show you something. Come, come, come. Come to the window. Walk straight.
What is that?
Look over there.
Oh,
It's a water park.
you can go tonight.
It's dinner time. We're just gonna walk to a restaurant. Wow, actually it's golden hour. You see the lighting? It's so perfect. Immaculate. Wow, I love this ice cream place. Ice cream is so sweet. So am I. Did you hear it? Let's get this one. Signature clam soup.
And this
No.
one,
Too chili? No, I don't think I can handle it.
you can handle it.
Not. Our first meal in JB. Is your first time? Is your first time in JB?
No,
Haven't been here before.
no, but
So it is your first time in JB.
no, JB is so big.
I'm so hungry, and our food is still not here. Whoa.
Is it good?
It's a little bit like spicy, right?
No.
Do you not feel it?
So
So
confident.
good, yeah.
But there's a ginger.
The ginger is good.
It's a bit pungent. Ooh, this is the garlic salt version, right? Ooh, this looks so legit. So it's the salted egg fried chicken. I always get it in Singapore, but I feel like this is 100 times better.
Really? Where did you get it?
Like Hawker Center. Ooh, I can feel it, oh my gosh. Yay, just finished dinner, or the first round of dinner. Now we're going to have dessert. Which place are we going to next? The boba shop
Whatever
or
alley,
ice cream?
Whatever that is. No,
Okay.
boba.
Boba?
Boba all day. I'm so happy today.
Off to the next place, ice cream.
1,000 calories.
The night is never ending. Oh no, my camera is dying. I need new batteries. What do you mean? Me after eating too much ice cream. And then after ice cream, we came to get durian. Is it our fourth meal? For like fourth course for dinner. It looks nice though. This is the Maoshan cake durian.
Maoshan Wang.
Maoshan Wang. Oh, okay. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, guys, what's going on? We came to just another restaurant for bean curd. Alright, this is gonna be our last meal of the day, I promise.
Are you
Yeah,
sure?
yeah.
There's a BBQ.
It's okay.